Alright, hello, my name is Omar Khalifa and this is Standup Meeting 2 for Group 26. Alright, so just to sum up the overall project progress, we have started drafting various items such as the design book as well as initial visualizations for our website. And we have also started to do some early prototype for our initial visualization design. Alright, I'll pass it on to Zambo now.
My name is Sompo, and currently I'm working on adding the visualization inside the website. So for this is a map. For the map, when you hover it, it will highlight the state into red color, and it will tell you like the one I hover is now is the Western Australia, and this is the Northern Territory. And then for this graph, I was using the stack bar chart. So this stack bar chart is about the amount of road depth in Australia with different states. So in the right side, it recorded the amount of road depth in certain states. And also there are some color that classified as different year. Like for example, this is at ICT in 2020. There are 6 road depth. So for this graph is using the donut graph. So this donut graph is about the total drug tests detected in Australia. So since 2020, there are 13,110 in Tasmania. So for this is the filter that you can choose. Like for example, you want to see the ACT drug test. Like for in 2020, there are 834 drug tests detected. So for this website, after this, I will make it more attractive, and also I will maybe add one more graph into this website. And this is the code that used for my website. And this is the index. And that's all from me.
Alright, so I've done some initial interactivity graphs for the visualizations based on Zombo's initial work. So for the Australia map, I was thinking we could do some hovering tool tips where if you hover your mouse over a specific jurisdiction or territory in Australia on the map here, a pop-up will show up with the jurisdiction or territory name as well as some summary statistics. So next for this graph, I was thinking that a slider for a specific year should be put at the bottom. I forgot to put the labels for the years between 2020 and 25 here, my bad. But let's just see if 2021 is here and you slide it over to 2021. Only the data for 2021 would show up here in this graph. Alright, so next for the donut chart, I was thinking that it should be the same as the Australia map chart, where it will be a hovering tooltip once again. And this time, the jurisdiction territory name will pop up similarly. But the data will be, let's say, initially it will be number of tests plus maybe the fines, arrests, and charges. Alright, so for the challenges and next steps at the current stage in our project, most of the previous challenges, as stated in the previous standard meetings, still apply here. We are also yet to start developing the website, and my interactivity drafts still are very rough. So we need to think of more interactivity options as well as have them be actually useful. And this is a bit off topic to the previous items, but our team communication also needs to be improved, as I feel like we are not communicating as much as we should as a team. Alright, that concludes our Senate meeting number 2, so thank you.